Hello, my dear students. Here I am Deepika Datsena, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from Government Kaktiya PG College, Jagdalpur. The subject is Business Communication and the topic is Business Letter, Lecture 1. It is for BBA third semester students. Now, coming to the meaning of business letter. Business letter means when the businessman write a letter regarding the enquiry of the product, for placing the order, for recovering the debt, or related to any information or any activity of the business in a written specific format, and that is known as business letter. जब व्यापारिक जानकारियों गतिविधियों के संबंध में दो व्यापारी आपस में पत्र व्यवहार करते हैं तो इस पत्र व्यवहार की प्रक्रिया को व्यापारिक पत्र व्यवहार कहा जाता है। एक श्रेष्ठ व्यापारिक पत्र लेखक का प्रतिनिधि होता है जो उसके व्यक्तित्व को प्रतिबिंबित करता है। व्यापारिक पत्र टाइप की हुई वार्ता होती है। इन्हीं तमाम कारणों से कहा जाता है कि जिह्वा की तुलना में कलम या पत्र व्यवहार ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण एवं प्रभावशाली होता है। अब इसके बाद आता है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बिजनेस लेटर. So it is more effective than meeting personally? Yes, it may happen that when you meet personally and some unwanted informations may be shared between the businessman, and it is also the time consuming. So rather than writing a letter is a very specific, and it is more effective instead of meeting personally. Then less expensive. The cost is very less in this channel of communication. In letter writing, you don't have to access the internet connection, you don't need the laptop, desktop, or mobile phone, so it is economy. Helpful for expansion of business. You can expand your business through the letter writing. The advertisement is the best example. विज्ञापन के माध्यम से अनेक व्यक्तियों से न केवल संबंध बनते हैं बल्कि उनके द्वारा उत्पादित वस्तुओं की मांग में भी वृद्धि होती है एवं व्यापारी के व्यवसाय का भी विस्तार होता है. Rigidness in old relation. Yes, you can maintain your old customers by writing letters to them, by writing them about the launch of the new product or the extra discount you are going to give them. Then easily refuse wrong decision. Yes, you can easily refuse the proposal, you can reject the proposal in a very simple and a very polite manner. Instead you hesitate to refuse or reject something when you meet personally. Then helpful in clearing the debts. You can easily recover the amount or the amount which the goods which you have sold on credit and the customer is not clearing the dues, so you can write a letter and get their dues clear. And multiple connection at a time, communication at a time. You can communicate to a number of persons at a short time. Then the next is kinds of business letter. Inquiry letter, quotation or reply letter, order letters. The inquiry letter, when a businessman inquire about the product, then he write a letter, that is known as inquiry letter. Now in response to the inquiry letter, a quotation is sent, that is known as quotation letter. And in reply to the quotation, an order letter is written to give them order. Credit and reference letter, it is written to give a reference of businessman. Then sales or agency letter, when a businessman wants to make sales promotion, then he writes a letter, that is known as sales letter. When a person wants to become an agent of any business, then in the process of writing the number of letter between them, that is known as agency letter. Dunning letters for clearing the dues. And circular letters means when you want to share any information, then you write to a number of persons at a one time. Like if your head office or the address of your business has been changed, then you inform to all your customers. That is known as circular letters. Now comes to the parts of business letter. The format is, the first of all you have to write down the heading, the name of your business. Then you write the address, the mobile number, the pin code, and after right side you write the date, and then left side the address of the addressee, inside address to whom you are writing the letter, and subject heading for what purpose you are writing the letter. If you are inquiring for any product, then you write letter regarding inquiry. And salutation, generally when person meet, then they say hello, hi, good morning. In the same manner, here you address dear sir, like that. Then body of the letter, it is main and very important. The opening line, which should be very simple but interested, should create curiosity in the mind of reader and should maintain the interest of the reader. And the main body, for what purpose you are writing the letter. And the end, finally you request to execute the proposal. And complimentary close you give, like yours faithfully, yours respect, sincerely. And you, the person who is writing the letter, he puts his signature, his designation, if he is a partner, for official letter like the principal. Then a list of documents you want to attach with the letter, that is known as enclosure. And the postscript means if anything has skipped during writing a letter, then that important thing you can add here, that is known as postscript. And typist initial, a person who type a letter, generally he puts his initial, that is known as typist initial. Now for an example, it is a letterhead, Vidya Hardware Limited, the name of the business, address Chitrakoot Road, Dharampura, Jagdalpur 4940, and its pin code and telephone number. And date you write, left side the reference number. Yes, reference number is the letter number. If you write a number of letters, then each letter has a number. So if you want to give the reference of the previous letter, then you start with reference to your letter number dated like this. Then the address of the addressee, Messrs Shyamlal Hardware Wholesale Market, MG Road, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Then the subject, for what purpose? It is a letter regarding inquiry. Salutation, dear sir. Then with reference to our telephonic conversation last week, we had discussed on various equipment which your company manufactures. So you are referring that you had a telephone conversation, and on the basis of that you are writing this letter. Then the main part is that now we are writing to you if your company can send a catalog with detail of latest equipment. So you want a catalog, the product and the respective prices, so that the final is, we have a huge requirement in our company. You are creating the interest that you will order as more and more. In case we find a suitable design and features of the equipment, we look forward to place an order soon if you provide us catalog and reply our letter as early as possible. So finally you are requesting to execute the decision. Then the complimentary close, yours faithfully, the Vidya Hardware Limited, Ramlal, the designation is partner, and his sign. So this was the example, and the types of letter will deal with in the lecture number 2. Thank you.